welcome back to my channel for episode 9 of my quarantine wash day series. So is quarantine still going on? It's almost June now. I feel like Corona is like on the back pedal, you know what I'm saying? Like people aren't really thinking about that right now. And like I see a lot of people just like returning to their normal routines. A lot of places are still closed. But yeah, people are like, the social distancing thing has like kind of gone out the window a little bit. Especially like protesting and stuff. But you know what I'm saying? Corona's still here. So we gonna see. We gonna see what it's looking like in a few days, especially with this protesting going on. So yes, we are here for episode 9 of this quarantine wash day series, and I think I'm going to cap this series off at episode 10 and start a new series. But you know what I'm saying, we'll see when I get to episode 10. Right now I'm just speaking, I'm just talking, really. It's in my brain. I'm brainstorming right now. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. So today's video is going to be an easy wash day. Easy wash day. So let me tell you what we're going to be doing this quarantine wash day. All we are doing is washing our hair in deep condition. We're going to style with conditioner and deep conditioner. So we're not using any styling products. So we're not using any leave-ins, no oil, no curling cream, custard, gel, none of that. We are just using shampoo and conditioner for today's quarantine wash day, and we're going to style our hair with conditioner. And I actually did this last week and I just loved it so much. My hair loved doing this. So last week all I did was wash my hair, put conditioner in it, and then I just twisted up my hair into smaller twists. Not many twists. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? Small twists, all right? And I just let the conditioner sit in for a good like 4 days. And it's still in my hair. I just went ahead and styled my hair with the conditioner in it. So I still have like conditioner in here that I'm going to wash and rinse out. But yeah, that is the plan for today. We're going to do small twists with conditioner and we're going to leave it in for a week. So let me show you guys what shampoo and conditioner I will be using for today's video. So I will be using my all-time favorite conditioner and deep conditioner. I'm using them both together. So it's kind of like 3 products, but they're both conditioner. So it's only 2 products. All the products are from the same brand, and I will be using Uncle Funky's. So I'll be washing with Uncle Funky's Squeaky Clarifying Cleanser. And then we will be deep conditioning and styling with Uncle Funky's Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask and Richee Rich Hydrating Conditioner. This is my favorite deep conditioner and this is my favorite conditioner. Uncle Funky's did not miss the mark when it came to these 2 products. And also, these are all vegan. These are vegan natural hair products. So I don't know what they put in these little vegan products, but I love them. Okay? So that's what we're going to do today. And I'm going to walk y'all through it. We're going to do it together. And I'll show y'all how I'm going to style my hair in a way to where I can still go out in public and I don't feel like I look, you know, 12 with some twist in my hair. So yeah, let's get into this super easy and simple wash day. All right, so I went in the shower and wet my hair, and now I'm going to apply my shampoo. But I just want to say that before I started this quarantine wash day series, I was doing a lot of basically I was doing hairstyles that weren't contributing to the health of my hair. And ever since I started doing this quarantine wash day series, I have seen so much growth. I've seen my thickness has increased. My hair isn't as thin as it was. My thickness is coming back in. My length, oh my gosh, my hair is growing so much, you guys. Seriously, like I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's my head, so I can tell. And I'm just so happy that I did this because my hair really needed the break to just be free for a second and not do any box braids or long braids. I was doing the long braids as well, the 2 braids. I just was not wearing my natural curl pattern for a few months actually. And all of a sudden I just realized, like, I don't even remember the last time I did a wash and go. So that's when I knew, like, some things need to be changed and some things need to be tweaked. And here we are. So shout out to, you know what I'm saying, quarantine and not having anywhere to go so I can focus on my hair health. So yes, let's get into shampooing. Ooh, yes, curls come through, curls, yes. The thickness. So this is the Squeaky Clarifying Cleanser, sulfate-free and color-safe with tea tree, kelp willow bark, and menthol. So it soothes dry, itchy scalp and stimulates hair growth. It is nutrient-rich. Kelp and willow bark promote hair growth, combat dandruff, and deodorize hair. Tea tree introduces hair growth and cleanses hair follicles. Menthol soothes dry scalp. So I do know that this lathers up really well. I have used this shampoo quite a few times and I love that there's tea tree in here. I love having that tingling sensation on my scalp. It just makes me feel like the product is working, just to physically like feel my scalp tingling and being cleansed. It also smells really, really good too. And I have been so gentle on my hair. I haven't been ripping through it with combs or just getting frustrated with it during the detangling process. I've really been trying to focus on making sure that I'm gentle with it so that I have length retention and I'm not losing strands that don't need to be lost. So this shampoo is also a shampoo that defines your curls. And I've actually known that Uncle Funky's, their products, their shampoos do this. Because they have another shampoo and it does the exact same thing. It defines your curls. And just kind of like, look at this. So I mentioned before that Uncle Funky's has 2 different shampoos. And I do have both of them. So I just wanted to tell you guys a difference that I noticed just by using the Squeaky Clean. The Rich and Funky, which is the moisturizing cleanser, versus the Squeaky Clean, which is the clarifying cleanser. I found that Rich and Funky, the moisturizing cleanser, strips your hair a little bit less. Whereas Squeaky Clean, the one I just used, strips your hair a tad bit more. So I think they did that on purpose. They wanted there to be a difference, because why would you sell 2 different shampoos and they're exactly the same? That wouldn't make any sense. So the Squeaky Clarifying Cleanser, like I said, has tea tree, kelp, willow bark, and menthol, whereas the Rich and Funky Moisturizing Cleanser has comfrey, rosemary, kelp, willow bark, and marigold. So there is a difference. This one is a little bit more gentle on the hair, whereas the Squeaky Clean, the one I'm using, gives you a really good deep clean, especially if you've been using hard crusty gels or you just got out of a protective style. You're going to want to use the Squeaky Clean and to make sure your hair is thoroughly clean and it strips whatever buildup has built up over months. Okay, so I would definitely recommend this for like protective styles or if you really need a good deep clean. Whereas if you've just been washing your hair weekly, you can definitely use the moisturizing cleanser. It will still clean your hair very, very well, but it is a little less harsh. So now that I'm done shampooing, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse and we will get into conditioner and styling. So I'm all rinsed and I left my hair soaking wet because I do want my hair to be as wet as possible when I apply my conditioners. So the easiest way to do this is to part your hair down the middle, and I sort of already have a part going on just from previous hairstyles, and from doing this a week ago I still kind of have my parting. So yeah, I have a middle part all the way to the back, and right now I'm going to just put one side up and focus on one side of my head. Now I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to part. Alright, so I got my first part. Now I'm going to apply my conditioners. Alright, so I've got one side done nice and twisted. So all I did was just continue to part in a straight line all the way till I got to the front of my head. So now I'm going to go ahead and start on the other side. So I finished all my twists, and you guys can see this side's already starting to shrink up, whereas this one's a little bit more elongated because I just did it. But yeah, once it's dry, completely dry, I'll be back to show you guys my final results. Alright, so my hair is all done. My twists are dry, and I just put them in this cute little bun style for today. So I'll probably be switching up styles throughout the week and, you know, just playing with my twist and styling my hair in different ways. So yeah, it's a rainy day. I kind of just felt like putting my hair in a bun and just chilling, having a cute little updo hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple quarantine wash day. I will definitely be styling with conditioner a whole lot more. My hair feels like so hydrated and protected. So I will see you guys in episode 10 of my quarantine wash day series. And make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.